Available in Point Lookout, Brook Cape, 2 houses from the ocean, parking for 4 cars, couple decks, 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. Let's go inside. You have a front deck. You can see the ocean. You got a living room with a fireplace, big screen TV, wood floors, couple of couches. You have a dining room. And you have your kitchen. All the appliances, pots, pans, dishes, silverware. You have an outside deck. A sitting area. You can see the ocean between the houses. Another deck upstairs. Let's go back inside. Downstairs you have 1 bedroom with a full-size bed. Next to that you have a full bathroom, tub with a shower. This is the basement here. There's a washer and dryer. Let's go upstairs. They have 1 bedroom with bunk beds. Full bathroom. Tub with a shower. You have a bedroom here that goes into the master bedroom. You have a view of Jones Inlet. And outside from this bedroom you have a deck. Okay, it's Hug Real Estate exclusive, 516-431-8000, www.hugrealestate.com. Thank you for looking.